Welcome to Galicia, welcome to the island of La Toja, welcome to our story of Casa Riestra. Inés together with her brother Ignacio created Casa Riestra and, with their parents, Rosa and Andres, they are a family in love with the beauty of their land, Galicia, Spain, and especially the island of La Toja. They have created something truly exclusive to share with you, a luxurious, exclusive, and unlike any other perfume inspired by the island of La Toja, capturing its nature, its sea breeze, its forests, its spa, its grand hotel, its golf course, its history, and that of its founder, José Riestra López. A perfume that will make you travel and enjoy, entering the dream of the essence of the island of La Toja. You will experience excellence in every bottle, in every drop. Inés and Ignacio are great-great-grandchildren of José Riestra López, Marqués of Riestra, founder of the La Toja Grand Hotel, Spa, Golf Club and Soap Factory, and they wish to bring this tradition to this company. The goal is to reposition the charm that the island of La Toja produces. They wish to encapsulate all these emotions, perfume notes, experiences, and memories in this bottle. Each drop is a long sensory journey to the island of La Toja. It's not just a perfume, it's an experience, a luxury for the senses, a tribute to excellence and elegance. This perfume captivates and brings happiness. Created with the prestigious perfumer Antonio Gardoni of Milan, Italy, it is a concentrated essence, over 20%, that lasts all day and is a tribute to the writer Asuncion Correa Calderon, the family's grandmother. More than a scent, it is a legacy of elegance and passion for Galicia. It is a limited edition perfume. The first 100 people to reserve it will receive a certificate hand-signed by its creators. Plus, the perfume size fits in any pocket. Let's start this dream together. Get your perfume and become part of our history. Go to Kickstarter.com projects Casa Riestra and take yours. Limited time offer until the 6th of September.